Hello.
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 Okay. Hello. Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Where is your homework? Did you make your homework? I sent your homework in the Zalo. Did you make
Oh,
your homework?
no. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Can you see your homework already? Can you see your homework in the Zalo?
No.
Yes. Oh, why? I give you a homework.
A homework?
Yes. I give you a homework in your Zalo so that you can make your homework before we will start our lesson. That's already given you the review, and then I send you the homework so that you will prepare also. So next time, please look at your Zalo so that you can see if what teacher sent to you on what to do or the task that you are going to make. Okay? So please next time. So now let's answer your homework so that you will know also. And okay, we can start also with our next lesson. So this homework is all about, we already done this, right? That is small schools. So here, look at the picture. Okay, we discussed this word next last meeting about the dangerous, the dry, large, narrow, safe, small, width, and wide. Okay. So now, can you please answer number one? Ah, what is this? A boat. What is this? You can choose your
Hmm.
answer here. Dangerous, dry, large, narrow, safe, small, width, and wide. Go, please answer. What is your answer number one? Look at the picture. You must look at the picture so that you can answer, okay?
A dangerous.
Okay, number one, what is your answer?
Number one.
Okay, yes, number one. Please answer. Please answer number one. Then we can start with our next lesson, okay? So just say it, do not write. Okay. What is your answer number one? Can you say it to teacher?
A boat.
Your
Dry.
answer number one.
Number one.
Boat is what is your answer
Um.
number one? Both is
Um. A large.
what?
Wait.
You can choose words dangerous, dry, large, narrow, safe, small, width, and wide. Okay, we will answer the test one and then we will continue to the other lesson and then I will forward this to you And then please answer this, okay? Okay, go. Number one, what is your answer?
Number one.
Look at the picture.
Mm.
Number one is, okay, look at, there's already the answer. All you have to do is to
Dangerous.
choose. Again, number one, what is your answer? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. What is that? Number one
Um,
is,
a small boat.
okay, that's very good. So all you have to do is you look at carefully. Focus on the picture if what is meant to. Okay, so yes, very good. A small boat. Okay, number two. Look at the picture.
Large boat.
Yes, very good. A large boat. And then number three. Number three is,
Um, safe path.
okay,
Snow.
number three is look at they are the same,
Uh,
three and four. So number three is, that is
a,
a wide,
wide,
again, a
a
wide
wide path.
path. Yes, that is a wide path. Okay, next, number four. Number four is
A wet path.
narrow. Look, that is just like a small. What is that? A narrow
Path.
path. Okay, very good. Number five. Look, number five. Number five is,
A,
what is that?
a,
Ah,
a dangerous road.
number five. Is that a dangerous? Are you sure?
Mm, I know.
Okay. So, what is this? Ah,
Um,
okay. This is a wheat. Okay, a wheat rope. Look at, that is a wheat rope. Okay, number four. What is this? Oh no, number six. I mean, what
mm,
is that? Ah, wheat. What is the similar of wheat? So we have
small road. Oh no.
what is that? A dry. That is a dry. Okay. Again, what is that? A dry. A dry roof. Okay, very good. So next, number seven.
Mm.
Number seven, look at the picture carefully. Number three, look at the picture.
Number 3.
Number 3 is, look at, what is this? You can choose the answer. So what the words is
Dangerous.
not chosen? Okay, very good. A dangerous bridge. Okay, next, number 8. Look at the picture. Okay, that is, what words are not choose? That is,
Same.
yes, very good. A safe bridge. Okay, so that is your homework. And then please continue that. Okay, please continue that. I will ask you before we will start our lesson next meeting. Okay, please forward your homework in the Zala. Okay, so next, let's move on with our new lesson, because if we will always go there with our homework, we cannot start with our lesson. Okay? So here, our last lesson is we discuss about reading, right? It's all about the reading, and that is a school days, right? Remember? So we discuss about what is that? The wilderness, the bridge, the roof, the metal, right? The jungle, we already that. And then we discuss also the grammar, right? We discuss about the grammar, the should and should not. Okay? And then asking for and giving for advices. So that is our last lesson. The lesson 20 about reading. We discuss, that is the homework, right? The narrow, the wide, and then we move on to the speaking, right? So remember the speaking. So before we will go to another lesson, so let's start with, okay, let's start with, uh, let's start with speaking. Let's continue with this. Okay, I will share uh, my, okay. So this is lesson 22. Okay, so let's start with our speaking. So listen carefully.
But
So we already done with vocabulary and word skills, the grammar, the listening, and the dangerous journey. So that is reading. So that is your homework, right? So now let's move on with speaking, and we must give an advice. Okay. So you can ask anything or any question if you don't understand the lesson. So here, we already remember, we read this. This is first the giving advice, right? Okay. So we will proceed to another. Okay. So this is the part where we stop, right? Remember? So look at, we use should and shouldn't plus infinitive without to give an advice. So remember the affirmative, the negative, the interrogative, and the short answer. Okay? So we use should to give advice or say that something is good or bad idea. So now let's start. Okay, so find 5 more examples of should in the dialogue. Are they affirmative, negative, or interrogative? Okay, go. Fine. You can circle or you can underline the affirmative, the negative, or interrogative. Okay, I will give you one example. Okay, so I have one example. Okay, go. Underline. The affirmative, negative, and the interrogative.
Hmm. Around.
Okay. So,
Wait. I was. Wait. Hmm. Hmm.
find the affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So this example is interrogative. Why? Because there is a question mark. Again,
Question.
yes, that is interrogative. So now
Hmm.
go find the other. Okay, before we will start, okay, if you don't forget or remember the interrogative, look at. This is affirmative, look at the picture. Affirmative, look at, please focus, okay? Because you will answer on on that part. Okay, look at the affirmative. They should go to bed. That is affirmative. So meaning that is a positive. The negative one is they shouldn't laugh. Again, they shouldn't laugh, meaning not. Okay, that is negative. The interrogative is should I tell him? So that is interrogative. Okay, and then the short answer is yes, I should. No, I shouldn't. So now,
Yeah.
please answer. Okay, go. I'll give you one example that is interrogative.
Hmm.
Please
Hmm.
underline the other words. Okay, okay.
Uh,
So look
hmm.
at that is okay. This is example that is interrogative. Okay. So look, what is this? No, shouldn't do that. What is that? Interrogative, affirmative, or negative? What do you think is your answer?
Thing is
Just try.
wait. Wait.
What is your answer?
Formative.
What? In affirmative? Negative. That is negative. Why? No. You should, meaning if there is not already negative. The positive, the affirmative is positive. No, not. Again, no, not. Okay. Next, what is that?
Is but you should is
What? What is your answer?
formative.
Informative, affirmative. Okay. So that is affirmative. As you can see, okay, but you should talk to Sophie. you should explain that copying work is a bad idea and tell her how you feel. So meaning affirmative, that is a positive. Okay. Next.
Mm. With problem with two please.
Okay, so please remember the interrogative, negative, and the affirmative. Okay, so that is our sample for the interrogative. Okay, look at, just remember the interrogative. So as you can see, there is a question mark, right? There is a question mark. Okay. And then the negative, as you can see, no already, then should not. That is negative already. Just remember not negative. So look at, that is already a sentence. Look. No, not. Okay, just remember that is a affirmative. So please do not forget what you've learned. Okay, go. Please answer one, two, three, A and B.
1, 2, 3.
Go read number one.
Number one.
Go, please read number one first. Go. You can.
You can do your work.
Please read that loudly so that I can hear what you read.
Mm.
You can't.
You,
Go. Please read louder.
you can do your homework late at night because your brother playing loud music.
Please. Plays loud music. Okay. Okay. So that's example. So we will end first and then please come back again. Okay. We will end first and please come back again. So prepare the test.